In this video, you'll learn how to integrate Shopify with Zoho using Zapier. This process allows for seamless data transfer between these two platforms, enhancing your business operations. Begin by navigating to the Zapier homepage, open your web browser, and enter the Zapier URL. Once the page loads, ensure you are on the main dashboard where you can see various options to create integrations. Next, locate and click on the button labeled Create. This button is usually positioned prominently on the dashboard. After clicking, you will be directed to a new screen that allows you to start creating a new Zap. Once this appears, find the section labeled Zaps on the left side of the screen. Click on this option to view your existing Zaps or to create a new one. This area provides a clear view of all your automated workflows. Now, type in Shopify to Zoho into the search bar that appears. This action helps in finding the specific integration you want to set up. After you type, you should see a suggestion box with options related to your search. After that, click on the button that says Start Building. This will open a new interface where you can set the specific triggers and actions for your integration. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this layout before proceeding. Next, click on the option labeled Shopify. This is where you will select Shopify as the app you want to connect. The screen will refresh to show options related to Shopify integrations. Then locate the field that states Trigger Event and click on it. You will see a drop-down menu with various trigger options. This feature allows you to specify what event in Shopify will initiate the integration. Choose Customer Account Enabled from the list of triggers. After selecting this, confirm your choice, and you should see a check mark or confirmation message indicating the trigger has been set successfully. Proceed by clicking on Account to link your Shopify account. A new dialog will prompt you to enter your Shopify credentials. Complete this step to ensure that Zapier can access your Shopify store. Next, click on Connect Shopify. This action will establish the connection between your Shopify store and Zapier. You should see a confirmation message indicating a successful connection. Now, click on Begin by Zoho CRM. This option allows you to select Zoho as the application for the action part of your integration. The interface will change to show options specific to Zoho. After that, click on Action Event. A drop-down will appear, allowing you to choose what action you want to perform in Zoho when the trigger from Shopify occurs. Select Create or Update Contact from the list. This option ensures that customer data from Shopify will be reflected in your Zoho CRM. A confirmation message should appear once this selection is made. Next, click on Create or Update Company. This allows you to manage company records in Zoho based on Shopify customer data. Confirm your selection to proceed. Then click on Account to link your Zoho account. Enter your credentials if prompted to allow Zapier access to your Zoho CRM. After that, click on Connect Again by Zoho CRM. This action will establish the link between Zapier and your Zoho account, enabling data transfer between the two platforms. Finally, go to Google to check your integrations and any additional configurations you might want to set up. This step can help you verify everything is functioning as expected. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.